Hi everyone, today we have this particular problem as problem of the day. The problem number is 3121 and the problem count is problem name is count the number of special characters 2. You are given a string word, a letter C is special if it appears both in lowercase and uppercase in word, and every lowercase occurrence of C appears before the first uppercase occurrence of C. Fine. So A and capital A and two A's are coming after. These two A's are coming before the capital A. B, okay, C, okay, fine. So initially the similar way we can store the location in the hash map. We can store in previous question, yesterday's POTD, we solved the same problem, but that was the easy question. And so we had hash map for storing the characters. And what we can do, we were storing the count as one, value as one only, then but this time we can store the value as the last index that it appeared. Okay, so it will put A 0 and then again A 1, so it will update the 0 to a 1, and then capital A 2, B 3, C 4, B 3, and then 4 5 and C and again 6. So when we will when we will doing the checking whether it is present or not, we will need to have one more condition that we also need to do what, we also need to check the value of small a as well as the capital A, and the value for the capital letters should be greater than, uh, must be greater than the value at the smaller, and if it is not, then we will not consider that value. Okay, so for this we will consider this solution only. Let's copy this only. We will write. Okay, wait. Fine. Fine. For this problem, A B is coming after this A and B. So answer and C is not even present. So answer should be 0. But since A B is present, so my output is 2. So what I need to do, I just need to do something like this. I need to pass the I only, nothing else. And the another case I need to put is that uh, when the value is greater. Okay, when the value is greater, one more thing, there can be a multiple occurrence for the capital letters and small letters. I need to think of this. Okay, this every word is very important. Okay, every lowercase, so it is constraint. The constraint is that all the lowercase must come before the all the uppercase. Yeah, it is like that. So there is a issue. All the lowercase must come. We can have a case over here. What, if it is like this, then what we will do, if it is this and that is already being pushed in the array, we will not consider it. Simply we will not consider it. Yeah, map dot contains key s dot char at so what I am doing, let me explain it why I am doing this. So there can be a scenario like this, small a, capital A, and then small a, and capital A. So here what without this case, what will be the scenario? Is that, wait, let me organize it a bit. See, for the small a's, it will not get. Wait. Mm-hmm. Else simply put it. So see, the scene is, what I am doing that if it's A, then it will not get into this because these two is failing, right? This one is passing, but this one is failing. So it will not get into this. So it will go get into this and mark A, comma 0, and then A, comma 1, 2, 3, 4, and then at this point what it will do, if this condition is true and it is not present in the map, right? Capital A later is not present, so we will put the value as A, comma some, whatever the index it is it is at, and then again A, small a. So what will happen again, small a, okay, it will not get into this, and but it will get into this. So what it will do, it will just update the value of A with A, whatever the index it is at, and then again it will move forward, and again it will check, oh, it's A, capital letter A, so it will get into this and check it is present over here. Yeah, it is already present, so I don't need to do it, right? if if it is present, then I don't need to do it, okay? So that's why I have marked is as false, negation. And yeah, that's cool. uh, let's do one thing, what we can do, uh, just simply ignore it. Now now the case is, now our map population is correct, okay? Our next case is, if it is if it is capital A, then I need to compare it with the value of small a. Let's check it out. Value of, if it is capital, then I need to check whether the small a is present or not. Yes, it is present. And another thing is that what I am checking, what I have written, and this should not be 2. Then it is making mistakes. 2 was the way to calculate. 2 was the way. Okay, let's make the 2 as -1. That will be better. Okay. Yeah, let's put the 2 as -2, -1. That will work the same way. So 2 was just an identifier, right? And Minus 1 is saying that we have not considered this value. Minus 1 is saying that we have already considered this value, so do not consider it again. So the another case is that uh, okay, it's it only. So so capital, this is capital, okay, this is capital must be greater than smaller one. No, not this way. Simply this way. Oops. And another thing is, so map dot get at this character, I need the value and that should be greater. Okay, that's okay. I think this should work, but let's see. Let's think of it. Okay. Mm, let's run the case and then we will analyze if it is fail. Yeah, it's correct, but mm, I think it's correct. Let's test our case that I was saying. So answer should be 0. Okay, let's test. Fixing the agent failure. Okay, it is failing. Output is 1, but it should be 0. Yeah, that's why this case is really good. Let's think of it. It's giving 1. That's crazy. So first thing I would like to do is I'm not sure what will be the output for this. It will give the hash code, right? Okay, nice. So small a is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's at correct position. And capital A is at this. Why? If it is present, then I don't need to update it. Why it's updating again and again? Why 13? It should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It should be 4. Uh, see, it's putting A in this value and checking that A is present or not. No, false. False means it is becoming true. then it is passing into that array, and it is putting I as what? I as 0 1 2 3 4 4, so it would be the 4, right? Its A is this. Hmm. I just need to put the first index. Why it's okay? There is one more. There is a better solution that rather than thinking this much, I can just have I can just iterate two times from the right to left, and from left to right, and from the right to left, and while left to right I will put only the smaller case, and from the right to left I will put the only uh, capital case. That will solve my problem actually. But why this is wrong, I'm not understanding this. This is a, yeah, this is equals to this, and this is again less than this. These two conditions are true, and why this is false, I'm not getting it. Bro, I'm not getting it, it should be correct. Okay, I will look into it later on. What I will do, I will simply, yeah, now this will solve the problem. I have the hack, but why? Okay, now this is even giving wrong result for this one also. This is crazy, I'm not able to get it. Let's see the output. A B B C A B. A is at 0, that's correct. B should be at 4. Okay, I've done the opposite one. The silly mistakes are so annoying. Yeah, we are good to go. But I'm still not able to get it why this is wrong. Like my code was this. If it is between A to B and it is not present, I just don't need to do anything. Just need to go. Oh, now I got it. Okay, wait. Wait. If it is if it is from A to B and it is not present, then only do this. Okay, simply put in this manner. Yeah, this problem was pretty easy for the day. There was nothing new actually. We just had to uh, consider the index, and we were doing that in the hash map. Uh, Yesterday we were not considering the index. Today we just put the index as the value, and there was some mistake over here for the for loop, and and yeah, now it's good to go. Easy. Thank you for the day. I hope yeah, fine.